Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The All Meghalaya Contractor and Supplier Association hak apnu tarik ujeliu aja pun rio kalau IT dak dorka sau menteri ke sarkar jela ubah kami yak tanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ubah asan bor chulai dak dawa ban pendamno yak tenda ke pemerintah ke baidei bak kecingte yak State Veterinary Hospital ha opush long ban penmino dak tenda thamai ling ba ka split package system General Secretary ke Association ubah Emmanuel Siem Malangyang ulapan pau bakai sunjuk ke ai jing kersian pura ya jing temu jong sarkar Meghalaya ban pli jaka sumari kimeran ban kentiu ya jing dan jing em haka jalla handai ka kompen bank ya ka tenda haka wei ka package ka bahe kala khangla di kontraktor trajela ban yeshim bentah
halor jongka tenda ka balak flut ban sna ya ka State Veterinary Hospital hapo opersulong akaba ya ketika project ka bakot kembah 20 crore lakot haka wei ka package te nakaliang kajongi ngi kendu i minister ajuk opor ngila wan kendu i director jongka Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department ban convey ka message nakaliang kajongi nang bala ban pia ya ki site development works ngimi kran ni ka building ri kran ki site development works nomor ba kat kum kajongi jing tip jongi kalong khatsan crore ka de ka building ka cost jong ka building te nang ta lipo around 30 crores kita ki medical equipments, lab equipments kita po ka building, but kat new crore pot ka site development works, but ka include ru ya ka staff quarter. Te nakaliang ka jongi ya kendu yu ngiong ba pin sange swai ka ni katanda but pin pa mo ban pia swai kana ba kiwi contractor ki register lang nanti apa department ru kini ayo ni sementah. Te nakaliang ka jong i minister ta iong ba karai barok song tanda committee ka kalong ka bas ngulingo first time ni osmo kata ama tamjudan ni kata u minister in charge habala thung u minister in charge mot udai mu bolong top most banshim ka decision te ka decision ka ba la trai la damu umla banshim te ka penlong yang ngi ba ngin hap perkat pada ka we kelenti ngin ya kani kamde ka sin kembali kong ka bajia la bunsin nilai kendu i minister jong ki babun ki department nilai kendu ya tourism minister hakini ki manai beladap nilai kendu i health minister nilai kendu what chief minister nilai kendu nilai pensngo gini gijing ya te ngatrai kini baro ki mi ba ki la dan lupa buriau jong ki but kade katai ka we ba ki sakot ya kani ka package nomor ba khnang ba ki locals ki nomla ban yeshim mentah bat kan poi bit nang sho we brio nakaliang kajong i yang chupa sa principal secretary badi pet ya ka ya ka Animal Husbandry Veterinary Department te ngin chu up sisngi arsngi hadin kata ngin sepet ya ka ikasin jambat bengin le nomor hadup enta ni sutu ba kamdan ka assurance but kanamlong hiru te ngi hapsim nak ko we kelenti ya ni tanda la khot badu mentau benai jun hi khat ka kan kut hau artrik bat laitrik di kesni bentap
session tu ki warna ya kana ka city kerpat yang ba ku minister ban cancel lo yang tu tenda kepada ya ka hospital veterinary po Persulong dia ya kata tengah mula ban ai kedon no assurance cancel nomor ba ya ke tender lah, hot open tender baru kiba don board hi kiba long eligible kiba kot board bar kiba biang kriteria mkhang you know puro kila ability the question ban cancel to no arise kumagi kwa maki ban cancel no the no arise the kasong mamakiru kiba kiru kiwan hangnya ngalong ya kiba kiru biar ya participate tekasong para katendar komiti banrai ban alot yun akan marah selalu don beri ujung gedung katendar kalau don beri ujung ngam thare kin khot tendar abolong le open tender. Everybody are free to participate. Mana-mana ro kila apa ki badai kiri government registered conductor kat kum ki kriteria lani ki kendon kila bu lar ki biang kila ban tap kila ban participate ka song perkat tender committee ban pej ban rai ye ki kot kisla ki biang dong sodong ku bekalong abro ko ga stit ki praktis guta ban kita ka paki isti ko murka hospital de platif bi hospital ki donut ki insentif baru ki belum kampa hospital ki fencing ini tai ka kawa kalat ke building jo hospital ki dulu nam ta guna ban sumar ki marat ki bapang bestom kada ki building jo hospital aru kam da kema to mulu mala kalong ku ba around 60 crore something like that.
And meno ya kena ketendar lakot no.
La dan si benai duna lakot ngatragar ku dulu santere ku Julai.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.